Hello everyone. Today we are going to start adverbs. The name of the chapter is adverbs and we will see the adverbs in detail. First its definition and then its kinds. Okay, so its definition. A word that adds more information about verb, adjective or another adverb. Okay, adverbs are the words that adds more information about verb, adjective or another adverb. That is called adverbs. Okay, and a lot of adverbs ends in ly. Okay, the adverbs, most of the adverbs are ending with ly. For example, quietly, slowly, softly, etc. Okay, so adverbs are the words that tells more about, usually verbs, more information. Sometimes it gives information about adjectives or another adverb. Okay, now we have said that this adverb tells more about verb, adjective or another adverb. Now let us see how this adverb tells about more this verb, adjective or another adverb one by one. So let's start with the first one, that is verb. Okay, verbs, we know that verbs are doing action. Okay, so this adverbs tells more about other words. In other words, usually it tells about verbs. Okay, now with the help of example we will understand. Now the first example is the bus moved slowly. Okay, example is the bus moved slowly. In this sentence, moved is verb and slowly is an adverb. Okay, so here how did the bus move? Answer is the bus moved slowly. So here this slowly adverb tells more about the verb moved. Okay, so in this sentence verb is moved and slowly is an adverb. We know that the definition of adverb is it tells more about other words, usually verbs. Here we are talking about verbs. So the example is the bus moved slowly. In this sentence, moved is verb, adverb is slowly. So how did the bus move? The bus moved slowly. So moved is a verb. About this movement of bus, this slowly is an adverb that tells more about the movement of the bus. Means how did the bus move? The bus moved slowly. Let us take another example, that is the children smiled happily. The children smiled happily. In this sentence, smiled is verb and happily is an adverb. Okay, so how did the children smile? The children smiled happily. Smiled is a verb. This happily adverb tells more about this verb smile. Okay, so how did the children smile? The children smiled happily. So this adverb happily tells more about this verb smile or the smile of the children. Okay, so adverbs are the words that adds more about or that tells more about other words, that is usually verbs. Example that we have seen is the bus moved slowly. Here this slowly adverb tells us how did the bus move. Okay, about the movement of the bus. So this is verb moved, and this slowly adverb tells more about the movement of this bus. Another example is the children smiled happily. The children smiled happily. Smiled is a verb here and happily is an adverb. This adverb tells more about this verb smile. Okay, now let us continue with the next one, that is adjective. In our definition, we have said that adverbs is the verb. Adverbs are the words that tells or that gives more information about verbs, adjectives or another adverb. So verbs we have done. Now the next one is about adjective. Adjective. Here also we will see the example. So this adverbs tells more about adjectives. Okay, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that qualifies noun or pronoun. Okay, so sometimes these adverbs tells more about adjectives. Okay, now example. Example is these roses are absolutely beautiful. Okay, see the example. These roses are absolutely beautiful. Okay, so here they are talking about roses. So here absolutely beautiful. Absolutely is an adverb and beautiful is an adjective. Okay, so in this sentence, this absolutely adverb tells us more about this adjective beautiful. Okay, so this absolutely is an adverb. Absolutely is an adverb and it tells more about the adjective. What adjective is given here? Adjective that is beautiful. Okay, so in this sentence, absolutely is an adverb and beautiful is an adjective. This adverb absolutely tells more about the adjective beautiful. Okay, now let us take another example of the same. That is, this is really kind of you. Same with adjective. This is really kind of you. Okay, so in this sentence, really is an adverb and kind is an adjective. Okay, so we can say that this really is an adverb tells more about adjective. What adjective? Kind. Okay, so here adverb is really and kind is an adjective. So this really adverb tells more about adjective kind. Example is this is really kind of you. Okay, so we have said that sometimes this adverb tells more about adjectives. So example, this is really kind of you. Really is an adverb, kind adjective. Okay, so this really adverb tells more about adjective kind. Okay, now one more thing that we have discussed in its definition, that is it tells more about other adverbs. Okay, so let us see that one also, how that adverbs tells more about other adverbs. Okay, Now with example it is clear to you. Then first is Neha worked extremely hard. Okay, here the example is Neha worked extremely hard. Okay, so here it can, this adverbs can modify other adverbs. Okay, this adverbs can modify other adverbs. Modify means it can change other adverbs also. Okay, so the example is Neha worked extremely hard. Okay, so here this is hard is an adverb and extremely is also an adverb. Okay, so here this hard adverb is modified by another adverb. Okay, this hard adverb is modified by another adverb, that is extremely. Okay, both are adverbs, hard and extremely, both are adverbs. But as in the definition we have discussed that adverbs are the words that tells more about other adverbs also. Okay, so this adverbs can modify other adverbs. Example, Neha worked extremely hard. In this sentence, extremely is an adverb and hard is also an adverb. Okay, so in this sentence, hard adverb is modified by another adverb, that is extremely. Okay, so in the definition we have seen that adverbs are the words that tells or that gives more information about verb, adjective or another adverb that we have covered in this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.